So I just replaced the coil pack in this car with a used one from our local U-Pull. I didn't think there was a need to videotape the whole thing because there's plenty of videos out there. The coil packs are super common to fail. So we replaced the coolant sensor, which took an engine code off. And then it still was misfiring when it would rain. So my next thing would be spark plugs, wires, and the coil pack. It has fresh spark plugs and wires according to the old owner. And when you look at the wires, they are new. But when we replace the coil pack, look at that little crack there. So any moisture would have been getting in there and shorting out number 2 at least. But that was definitely the problem. So we'll see how long the U-Pull one lasts, but this should be fixed and hopefully it won't misfire anymore in the rain.